Hi, this is the new Semaphore indicator by Domo, 100% made in Italy, with the new ST plug-in screw terminal. Voila, one terminal and the other terminal with information 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not possible, for example, put make an error because it is not possible to insert the other way. Thanks this red plastic stop any type of error, one direction only. Yes, of course. This is the new Semaphore with the new LED technologies, very brilliant, very efficient, fantastic green and red light, and the new screw ST. Instead of the previous one, the TV is bigger with 2.5 millimeter for the wires. In the previous type TV, only 0.75 mmQ. So this is 2.5. And of course, when you chose the solution with the lamp test, exit number 6 is the lamp test, exit number 4 is lamp test 2, 1 and 4 is the double common. This facility to help the wiring, to help to save the time to wiring, is our special solution. Only Domo have this solution. Because we are the leader. Okay, no, forgot this. okay. And if you can show my screen, this is the electrical connection when you chose the 2LT, because you have 2 exits for lamp test, but you have also 2 input for common negative one. Of course, the new type is available with the traditional solution. That's all customers already know. For example, with inbuilt protection diode to stop the return field, or double lamp test, or tropicalization, or fly lead in different power voltage, and very news, we are ready with the full range universal power supply, but this is another video, not now. So with this solution you can ask for a double lamp test and also inbuilt protection diode. Why not? So PD plus 2LT plus TR plus FL, or only 2LT in the part number. This is the zoom for the new solution, and the lamp test or double lamp test is not available with the TV old screw solution, but is available for the new ST. The new ST is the new connection, like this, exactly. And the new connection is available in ST screw or spring one. The spring one we call SP, like spring. Okay. This is the information for the screw terminal pluggable. 12 ampere and maximum 2.5 mmQ. Okay, so very important this one. no more. So available, ready. We already produce this solution with double lamp test and double input. Thank you.